If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves, and pray and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sin, and will heal their land. 2 Chronicles 7:14. Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Events, Food and Drinks, Culture, Movies, Technology Trends, Theatre, TV and Travel. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the maharlikan culture of Yar. Beef caldereta or caldereta is a beef meat stew from the Philippines. Variations of the dish use chicken, pork or beef. Commonly the beef meat is stewed with vegetables and a liver paste. Vegetables may include tomatoes, potatoes, olives, bell peppers and hot peppers. Caldereta sometimes includes tomato sauce. Caldereta's name derives from the Spanish word caldera meaning cauldron. The dish is similar to meat stews from the Iberian Peninsula and was brought to the Philippines by the Spanish during their 300-year occupation of the Philippines. Caldereta is served at special occasions, parties, and festivities. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. The first part of the process is to sauté beef with garlic and onion. Start by heating oil in wide pot. Cook the garlic, onion, and beef. Continue to sauté the beef until the color browns a bit. Add bay leaves and crushed peppercorn. Continue by adding liver spread, tomato sauce, and beef broth. The beef needs to be cooked until tender. You can do it the traditional way by cooking it in a regular cooking pot over the stovetop. This takes around 60 to 90 minutes. A faster way to tenderize beef is to cook it using a pressure cooker. It can save you time by more than half. Go ahead and add the vegetables and seasonings. Cook for around 10 minutes and it's done. The cooking process is simple and straightforward. Beef caldereta is best eaten with warm white rice. I suggest cooking the rice while waiting for the meat to tenderize. You might forget the rice when you tend to be focused in cooking the beef. Beef caldereta ingredients: 2 pounds beef cubed, 3 pieces garlic cloves crushed and chopped, 1 piece onion finely chopped, 2 cups beef broth, 1 piece red bell pepper sliced, 1 piece green bell pepper sliced, 1 cup tomato sauce, ½ cup liver spread processed using blender, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 3 pieces dried bay leaves, 2 cups potatoes sliced, 2 cups carrots sliced, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 2/3 cup green olives, salt and pepper to taste. Use fresh liver if liver spread is not available. I prefer pig's liver over that of the cows. It is best to puree using a food processor before cooking. Ripe fresh tomatoes and canned diced tomato can be used as a replacement for tomato sauce. Stewed tomato works too. Instruction on how to cook beef caldereta. Step 1. Heat the cooking oil in the cooking pot or pressure cooker. Step 2. Sauté the onion and garlic. Step 3. Add the beef. Cook for 5 minutes or until the color turns light brown. Step 4. Add the dried bay leaves and crushed pepper. Stir. Step 5. Add the liver spread. Stir. Step 6. Pour in the tomato sauce and beef broth. Step 7. Cook the beef until it becomes tender, about 30 minutes if using a pressure cooker, or 1 to 2 hours if using an ordinary pot. Step 8. Add potato and carrots. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Step 9. Put the green olives and bell peppers in the cooking pot. Stir and continue to cook for 5 minutes more. Step 10. Add salt and pepper to taste. Last step 11. Serve hot. Enjoy. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.